Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to share with you today an app that you can make up to $5 per minute by just sharing your knowledge and expertise through this basic app. And if you do enjoy this video, or if you are new to the app or platform that I'm going to show you, leave a like, comment down below what you think of the video, comment down below if you'd like to see something on social media growth or more on how to make money online in my next video. So the app or platform that I'm going to be looking at today is called Fibbler.com, and basically how it works is you can get quick answers from an expert or be the expert and get paid for what you know. So let's take a lawyer for example. On average, a lawyer earns at $2.50 per minute through a video call, $1.3 a minute on a voice call, and $5 a message through a chat. But literally, it's not, I'm just using a lawyer as an example. On the website there are tons of different categories, whether it's from tutoring to homework, maths, different subjects, different languages, whatever it may be. It can be anything. And then what people do is they search online or on this platform for a specific skill. They will then reach out to you as the expert, and then experts will answer and respond via call, video, or chat, and then they get paid, as in you get paid instantly. And also the great thing about this platform, it's a great way to promote your skills on an international and global level. I mean, it's also a great way to promote or build your resume through providing all this knowledge and expertise online, as I say. So the nice thing is this app is available on both Google Play and the App Store, Android and Apple. So I'm going to log on to the Play Store, where I'm going to show you how to install the app and essentially how it works. You can also go to the frequently asked question page up top right here, where you can get an idea of what people ask, how it works, and that sort of thing. So you can welcome to log onto the website, get some information if you want to get started on this platform. But I'll meet you on my phone now. So guys, we are now inside of my phone. So you want to go to the App Store or your Google Play Store, and in the search bar you just want to type Fibbler. It will then pop up at the top, so click on that. It's called Fibbler, seek top expert advisors around the globe. It'll either ask you to download it or open it. So once you've downloaded it, open the app. It will then pop up with you either want to get started, aka register an account, or already log in if you have an account already. So I'm going to get started. Just enter your mobile phone number so you can get that verified. You can click on the flag to change your country, but the app will pick that up automatically. So once it's done, send the verification code, wait for that to come through. So once that's verified, 3 checkboxes are going to pop up with a call icon, a video icon, and a chat icon. And what this means is you can basically set your own rates that you charge for a normal call, a video call, and a message. So for example, I'm going to choose for a video call or a voice call $1 per minute, and a video call I'm going to charge $2 per minute, and a SMS or message I'm going to choose 50 US cents per message. So once that's done, you can click next, just enter your full name and choose your Fibbler ID. It will then create your account and take you to the home page of Fibbler. But now the first time you actually create an account on Fibbler, you get $1 free US in your account. But now you'll see I didn't receive it in this account because I actually did create a previous account on this device, just testing it before I actually recorded the video. And once you set up your profile, you get another $2 free US. And again, I've done that in my previous account on this device, so it won't work for me on this particular account. So you can just click on your profile picture up in the top left, select your profile photo, just select your gender, and I'm going to choose this photo for example, as it's a professional photo. Once that's done, choose your industry category. So for example, if you in medical, you can just choose medical and healthcare. So in this case, I'm in business. And also choose your profession. So for example, I'm going to choose information technology. So click done, click the checkbox of the option that pops up, click OK, enter your email address, click done, and also enter the languages that you can speak. So for example, I'm just going to choose my home languages, Afrikaans and English. So once that's done, also enter some of your skills. So in my case, programming, there we go. So for example, if you're a cook, you can say something, you can say a professional chicken schnitzel fryer, or whatever it may be. Just enter your skill. It literally has infinite categories. So again, I'm just going to enter web design, and you can enter as many as you want. And also in the about me section, just tell a brief description of yourself. So for example, in my case, I'm Jared Froneman. I'm a programmer from Port Elizabeth, South Africa. I specialize in web development, PHP, C#, or the different programming languages that you get. But let's say for any general example, if you're a cook, I specialize in homemade meals with chicken is my signature dish, or whatever it may be. Just any description about yourself and your profession and your skills. So I'm just going to say I'm a good computer guy, for example. I'm gonna update that, and once you fill out everything in your profile, you will receive $2 free to your account. As you saw, I haven't received it on this account because I did do this on a previous account in a test run, but now you can go to the home screen, have a look at the different people or experts that offer various types of skills. So you can go to your category wherever you are. You'll be listed if you're in the cooking category or tourism category or business category. You'll be listed there, and people will then contact you, and then essentially you will get paid per minute that they talk to you. So you can also view your finances. You can add funds to your app or your account, where you can also pay other experts for any extra knowledge that you need, which is pretty cool. So I mean, it works as a hand-in-hand app, whether you want to get information or give information and get paid for that. So guys, I really hope you found this video useful. I hope you found this app or platform useful. Comment down below what you think of it. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to receive some awesome content on how you can make money online and succeed in your online business. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.